Hey everyone! Ready to rock and roll with some crystals? Let's dive in! Welcome to today's video where I'll be guiding you through the exciting world of crystals. And no, we're not talking about the ones you find in your grandma's chandelier, and how you can find the perfect one just for you. Spoiler alert, it's not the one that matches your outfit. Whether you're brand new to crystals or just need a refresher, these easy steps will help you on your journey. And no, you don't need a PhD in geology. First things first, you need to determine your intention. What are you struggling with? Besides finding the TV remote, of course. What areas of your life do you want to improve? Reflecting on your goals will help narrow down your crystal choices. Think of it as a magical to-do list. For example, if you're looking for a sense of calm, amethyst is a great choice. It's like the Netflix of crystals, perfect for chilling. If prosperity is your goal, citrine is the way to go. Who knew a rock could help you rock your finances? Next, do a bit of research on crystal properties. Every crystal has unique energetic frequencies and properties, kind of like how every cat has a unique way of ignoring you. Amethyst, as I mentioned, is known for its calming effects, while citrine is linked to prosperity. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. You might also want to consider chakra associations. For instance, red jasper supports the root chakra and helps with grounding. Think of it as your personal Wi-Fi booster for stability. Now this is where it gets really fun. Trust your intuition. Sometimes you might be instinctively drawn to a certain crystal. It's like love at first sight, but with rocks. When you're holding different crystals, pay attention to any physical sensations like warmth or tingling, or even emotional responses like a sense of peace or calm. If it makes you feel like a superhero, you're on the right track. Also, consider how the crystal makes you feel. Notice if it feels warm or cool, or if you sense any energy or vibrations. If a crystal resonates with you, it's usually a good match. It's like finding your crystal soulmate. Let's talk about color and shape. Colors have unique frequencies too. Green crystals, for example, aid in emotional healing and are associated with the heart chakra, while blue crystals support communication and the throat chakra. It's like a rainbow of good vibes. The shape of the crystal also influences its energy. Spheres radiate energy in all directions while points focus energy. Think of it as the difference between a disco ball and a laser pointer. Once you've chosen your crystal, it's important to cleanse and charge it. Crystals can absorb negative energy, so you'll want to cleanse them using methods like smudging with sage or Palo Santo, bathing them in moonlight, or even burying them in salt. It's like giving your crystal a spa day. And finally, use your crystal intentionally. Carry it with you, meditate with it, or place it in your environment. Set clear intentions for its use. Remember, crystals are tools that work in conjunction with your efforts. They're like your magical sidekicks. So there you have it. These simple steps will help you find the perfect crystal to support your journey. And I'll leave you with a beautiful quote from Helen Keller. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you next time. And remember, keep calm and crystal on.